Hello everyone, the topic of today's video is how to make simple and beautiful reset password screen in SwiftUI. I already prepared some of the code and all the layout I will code along with explanations. So the first thing that I did was I made state variables for new password. This will be text field. This will be 4 text fields. So the code that user will get on its email account, so for the digits. And this is for a toast message, a focus text field, that's something to switch a focus from first digit. When user type in first digit, then we need to switch it to the next one, and last one. And also this enum digit text field is also for that manner, so for this focus state, but we will see that when we get to that level. So the first thing we need to do is make a Z stack, set background color, which is dark blue. That's my custom color, which I set in assets. I want to ignore safe area. Below that we will use generally VStack for the whole screen. In this case I will use alignment leading for the whole screen. So we have some image at the top. Here you can use some logo. So I will use rendering mode template, resizable, scaled to fit, frame of so 50-50, small. It will be a small logo, 50-50, foreground color and padding. Foreground color will be white and padding. I added rendering mode template in order to be able to change color with foreground color attribute. Okay. Now I will add a spacer here to move it to the top. Okay. Below that I will use text reset password. This is some type of a title for this screen, so font title 2. I will make it bold. I will add padding horizontal, so from left and right it should be 25, and top and bottom, that's vertical, that will be 40. Also we need to change foreground color, which is also white, and below that I will make a text field, but that will be text field which will be disabled, so user won't type here anything, and because of that I will use here just simple constant, because user can't edit this text field. So like I said, disable true, add some padding and overlay. For the overlay I will use a rounded rectangle with corner radius of 6 and stroke color dot white. Now we can see our text field. And what I also want to change is text color. So I do not want this to be black, so foreground color white, and we will add a padding. So now padding from left and right side, which is horizontal of 30, and some padding to the bottom of 15. And that's it for our first three views. The next view we need to add is also one smaller title, so 4-digit code for reset. Font type, in this case I will use title 3. Font weight of semi-bold. Padding from left and right of 25. Padding from top and bottom of 40. And foreground color white. That's a second title, a little bit smaller. And below that we need to make h-stack of four different text fields, each one for the 1 digit. I will make 2 spacers to center them here. And this is the hardest part of this screen. So here we need to make text field, 4 text fields. I will firstly make 1 text field, and then we can make him a custom struct and use it here 4 times. So I will try to make first one of them. So that will be text field empty. This is the first digit. I will use max limit 1. So this is a custom extension method to limit the user, so he can only write 1 character in this text field. Okay, I want to center text in the center for this text field. Submit label will be next. So we want to, when keyboard is opened, we want user to navigate it to the 2nd digit. And frame will be width 50, height 50. We can also add here alignment center and overlay. So I want a rounded rectangle of corner radius 6 with stroke line width 1. Foreground style white. So this is one. For the sake of this tutorial, I already added digits here. However, later on we will delete this and run this on emulator. So this is one text field. What we also need to add here is focused with binding and equals. So we are using our focus text field that I prepared already at the start of this tutorial, and equals. So when this field That's it. When this field is focused, that's the first enum. So okay, we have first, second, third, fourth, because we have 4 text fields for 4 digits. So on submit, when user clicks on submit on keyboard, we want to make next view a focused one text field. So the next from the first is second. Now I will copy this 3 more times. So these are the 4 text fields. We can add some spacing between them. Let's say 35. Okay, that's great. And what we need to change in this example is, so for the second one, here we will use second digit, our state variable, and when this view is focused, that's second one. On the submit, we want to navigate user to the third one. Same here, so this is third digit. This is third view. We want to navigate it to the fourth one, and this is fourth digit. That's also fourth. And when here user clicks submit, then we set focus text field on nil, so there are no next text field. So that's it for now. The next step below this is to use our variable, which is show code not receive button. We want to show a simple button with action and label. So that will be you didn't receive. Okay, my mistake. That needs to go below HStack. So here, you didn't receive email with code. Font will be subheadline. Also padding from the left and right of 25, from top and bottom of 30, and foreground style white. So I will use accent color, which is this green one, to make it more highlighted. So that's text, this is our action, and basically when user clicks this, we need to make some API requests, make some action, and after that I want to show toast message to the user. So this is my custom class for toast. If you want to see the whole implementation of toast message, it is not difficult, and I can show you that in some next video. If you want to see that, please write a comment below. So for the message, we can just say email with code was sent again, and after that we can set our state variable to false. So when user tried to get one more code, this button will disappear. Also, one thing that I forgot is on VStack, I need to add toast view and my toast variable in order to that to work. We can try that now. So as you can see, toast message, email with code was sent again, and there is no button anymore. That's something really nice in layout. And after that I want to show secure field for new password. So when user types in 4 digits, I will show them new password text field. So we need to check if first digit is not empty, also second one, also third one, also fourth one, and only in that case I will show secure field here. So this is second digit, third digit, fourth digit. Secure field will be new password. Text is the variable I already prepared. So new password, and prompt is text new password with foreground style of gray. Okay, below that I will add some padding, overlay, again rounded rectangle with corner radius of 6, stroke color white, and padding from left and right of 30, padding to the bottom of 15, and foreground style white. That's our secure field for new password. This is the spacer, and below the spacer we need to add a button. We need to add button for login. Here I will use also two spacers to center align the button. So this is a simple button with action and label. Label will be login. Foreground style black. I want the black text. Frame width 270 on the, so we are now on a text view. Now on the whole button I will use control size large button, button style border prominent. This is the accent color of this whole project, and I believe that's it. We can also add padding 30, and this is the whole screen. So with some logo at the top, first title. This is not editable, so this is just his email address. Here he needs to enter 4 digits from email. He can try to get code one more time on his email address. Here he needs to type in new password, and then he can try to log in. So if I set this to be empty, now you can see new password text field, because user first needs to enter 4 digits here. We can try to run that on simulator. Okay, as you can see here, this is the on simulator. So user here has next button. Now he can also next, and on the last one he has, okay, that's a mistake here, because on the last one we need to use, this is the last one, we need to use done button. When he entered this, he can enter some new password and then try to log in. If he clicks you didn't receive, there is a toast message. Okay, we can add some padding on top of the secure field. So I will not use vertical. I will use vertical instead of bottom. And that's it for this video. We can further modify this code to, for example, there is a lot of boilerplate code here. So we can extract this to custom structure. I will do that now in order to show it to you. So below this we can add struct custom text field extends view. I will copy paste this here, and what we need to do here is pass, we need to pass variable for our digit state. So that's here, digit. Okay, this is something that I will do on this custom field. I will not do that here. And we can pass also submit label. So var submit label, and pass it here. Okay, and now instead of this, so this is first digit, I will not delete this part, because this part we don't have in our custom text field. I will call custom text field. Okay, for just a second. Is there something wrong? Yes, this goes above this. Okay, so we can try one more time. For the, okay, and now for the first digit we just pass in this manner. Submit label is next for the first one, and this is the code that we will add to this text field, to this custom text field. So for the second one it's the same, just change here for second digit, third one also, and fourth one. Here we just need to change submit label to done, because this is the last one. I will try to run my preview. And now everything looks the same as it was before. So we successfully reduced our code and optimized it with this custom text field. We can try to run it one more time to see if everything still works. Again. That's okay. This is the password. I didn't receive it. Here we have a little more space. User can write anything he wants and try to log in. That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel to be able to see a lot more videos about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.